In this video, I'll walk you through a beginner-friendly tutorial on DEX Screener. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you open the link, you'll be redirected to this page. It might look a bit confusing at first, but don't worry. I'll guide you through everything step by step. Up here at the top, there's a last 24 hours button that lets you filter tokens by time frame. You can change it to 1 hour, 6 hours, or even as short as 5 minutes. Over on the right, you'll see the trading section. Here you can also filter the top trending coins based on different time frames, like the last 6 hours, 24 hours, or even the past 5 minutes. Right next to it, there's the top section, where you can filter the leading coins based on the number of transactions or trading volume. If I click on the transactions button, it will display the top coins with the highest number of transactions. For example, the number one coin here has over 43,000 transactions. And if I click on volume, it will show the top coins by trading volume. For instance, the number one coin right now has reached 41 million in volume over the last 24 hours. Next to that, there's the gainers button, which lets you filter the top gaining coins based on your selected time frame. As you can see, there are a lot of coins pumping right now. You can easily check how much each coin has increased in percentage over different time frames. Next, there's the new pairs button. In this section, you'll find newly launched coins, and you can also filter them by different time frames. Next to that, you'll see some logos like Community, Boost, and Paid Ads. Here you can filter which coins have paid for boost or ads, and even see how much they've paid for the boost. Finally, at the end, you'll find the filters option. When you click on it, a pop-up will appear where you can filter coins based on your preferences, like boosted or ad paid coins. For example, I'll set the minimum liquidity to 40,000 and the minimum market cap to 100,000. Leave the rest as is and then click apply. It will then load results based on the filters I set. As you can see, every coin here is boosted and each one has over 40K in market cap. This is how you can filter coins to match your specific criteria. To be honest, most people don't really use these filters. I just showed them as an introduction. Now let's head over to the home page, pick a random coin, and I'll walk you through the key details you need to understand. But before we dive in, let me show you one more thing. If you look closely, you'll notice coins from different blockchains, though most of them are obviously Solana. If you want to filter coins by chain, just look to the left where you'll see each chain's name and logo. For example, if I click on Solana, all the displayed coins will be from the Solana chain. If I click on Ethereum, then only Ethereum-based coins will appear. Alright, now let's pick a random coin and dive in. When you click on a coin, it will open a new page like this, showing all the key details about that coin. Next to the coin name, you'll see the blockchain it's on. If the coin is actively trading, you'll also see its rank. If it's boosted, the amount of boost will be displayed as well. Just below that, you'll find the coin's DEX banner, usually a funny meme or a picture related to the coin. Under the banner, there are social links like their X, formerly Twitter, Telegram, or website. In this example, only the X account is available, and if you click on it, it'll take you directly to their profile. Just below that, you'll see the coin's price displayed in both USDT and Solana. Underneath, there's the liquidity section. This shows how much liquidity the coin currently has. If you see a lock next icon next to it, that means the liquidity is locked, which is usually a good sign. We'll talk more about that in the next video. Next to the liquidity, you'll also find the coin's FDV, fully diluted valuation, and its market cap. Below that, you'll see different time frames: 24 hours, 6 hours, 1 hour, and 5 minutes. These let you check the coin's current activity, including the number of transactions and the trading volume. You can also see how much of that volume is from buys versus sells, all based on the selected time frame. Just below, you'll find the watch list and alerts buttons. Clicking on the watch list button lets you save the coin so you can easily find it later when you need it. Next to that, there's a buy and sell option, but honestly, most people don't use it. In the next video, I'll show you the proper way to buy coins and how to discover the best meme coins out there. Now let's take a look at the details below the chart. You'll see several different sections here, and I'll break each one down for you. First, you'll see the Transactions tab. This section shows the activity of different wallets, how much they're buying, how much they're selling, and all the recent transactions happening in real time. Next to that is the Top Trades section. Here you'll find the most profitable trades made on this coin. including how much was bought and sold and the total profit those wallets made. Next is the holders section. This shows the wallets holding the largest percentages of the coin. You'll see a list of different wallets, each with the percentage of the total supply they hold. Next is the bubble map section, where you can explore the connections between different wallets. We'll dive deeper into how this works in the next video. Now let's dive into the chart. At the top, you'll see various time frame options. You can adjust them as you like, and each candle on the chart represents the selected time frame. In the corner of the chart, you'll find a variety of tools you can use to analyze the coin in more detail. We'll go over all of them in the next video. For now, this wraps up our beginner's introduction to DEX Screener. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll reply to every one. And if you want more insights and trading tips, join my Telegram channel.